Itong train na to guys, biyaheng Germany. Ito yung pinakamahabang train at express. Biyaheng malayo to, pero pahinto-hinto siya, biyaheng Switzerland, Germany. Switzerland, Germany. Ito guys, sinatawag nilang ICE o ICE. Ito guys, napaka-express nito guys. Ang bilis niya guys. Oh. Ang haba niyan guys. Siguro nasa 24 rows. Siyang pinakamahabang train.